Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Iraqi Dinar. I hope you're all doing well today. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on the latest news about the Iraqi Dinar, Vietnamese Dong, and much more. Today, we're diving into something that's been on a lot of minds lately: the value of these currencies and why they might be worth considering as investment options right now. As you're seeing the Vietnamese Dong VND exchange rate on your screen, you might be surprised to know that it takes around 24,600 VND to equal just $1, and for the Iraqi Dinar IQD, it's roughly 1,310 IQD to equal the same dollar. Now, you may be wondering why anyone would invest in currencies that seem so weak compared to the US dollar. But the answer might catch you off guard. It's all about potential profits, though not necessarily from an immediate revaluation. There's something much bigger at play globally, and we're entering an era driven by artificial intelligence, which, along with significant financial growth, is positioning a few select countries like Vietnam and Iraq for substantial gains in their GDP. That's where the real opportunity lies. But before we get deeper into this global shift, it's important to look at the bigger picture. Yes, environmental concerns could pose challenges to this growth if we don't take care of our planet. However, as the global economy becomes more prosperous, nations at the forefront of progress are likely to see a serious rise in their GDP, which in turn will elevate the value of their currencies. And Iraq and Vietnam are among those poised to benefit most from this future growth. Now, let's take a closer look at Vietnam's economic forecast for 2024 and 2025. According to HSBC, Vietnam's economic recovery is picking up momentum, with projections of a solid 6.5% GDP growth for both years. The second quarter of 2024 already saw an unexpectedly strong growth rate of 6.9%, driven by robust performance in manufacturing and exports. Although retail sales haven't quite bounced back to pre-pandemic levels, manufacturing sectors, especially textiles and footwear, are experiencing substantial growth, with double-digit export increases. HSBC has also noted 5 consecutive months of PMI expansion Purchasing Managers Index, thanks to improved market access for agricultural products. On the domestic side, retail sales are lagging, but fiscal policies like tax reductions aim to boost consumer confidence. Another exciting development is the revision of Vietnam's land laws, which is spurring foreign investment, particularly in real estate. As with any economy, there are some challenges. For instance, Typhoon Yagi caused some disruption, but the Vietnamese government remains committed to achieving its ambitious 7% growth target for 2024. Inflation is expected to stay manageable at around 3.6%, well below the central bank's ceiling of 4.5%. Meanwhile, tourism is back in full swing, with Vietnam welcoming over 11 million visitors in 2024, contributing to the nation's economic recovery. But here's the real game changer: artificial intelligence (AI). Vietnam's digital economy is expected to skyrocket, and by 2030, it's projected to become the second largest digital economy in the ASEAN region. AI has the potential to supercharge not only Vietnam's economy but also the global economy, including the United States. Before we wrap up, there's one important factor that investors need to keep in mind: even a modest increase in the value of the IQD or VND could lead to significant profits. However, that also means a potentially substantial tax bill for U.S. investors. If you're curious about ways to lower your tax burden on currency profits, you might want to consider joining the channel's membership for exclusive tips. So, what's the takeaway here? Iraq and Vietnam are two countries with enormous potential for future growth, and although their currencies seem undervalued now, there is considerable room for appreciation. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do you think AI and economic expansion could be the tipping point for these currencies? I'd love to hear your perspective. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Iraqi Dinar for more updates on currency investments, global economics, and much more. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.